The Pit Boss FB500 wood pellet grill is a best-in-class grilling experience designed to deliver unrivaled restaurant-quality flavor to your home-cooked meals for the best value. Using advanced technology, premium craftsmanship, and 100% all-natural hardwood pellet fuel, Pit Boss is the bigger, hotter, heavier way to grill. This line of grills proudly offers 8-in-1 cooking versatility, allowing you to smoke, bake, braise, roast, grill, barbecue, char-grill, and sear, all in one machine. Using our innovative Flame Broiler Lever, you can achieve indirect heat in a temperature range of 82 degrees to 260 degrees Celsius, or direct flame searing up to 538 degrees Celsius. The dial-in digital control board with LED readout allows you to set and monitor grill temperatures without opening the lid. Let your Pit Boss do all the work for you, so you can spend more time with family and friends. Additional features of the Pit Boss FB500 wood pellet grill include 2 meat probe ports, a 2.2 kilogram hopper capacity, reinforced legs, high temperature powder coat finish, a solid bottom shelf, 2 inline style wheels, and the Pit Boss best in class 5-year warranty.